Kalamera! Welcome to our exploration of Greek cuisine. Today, we delve into the vibrant world of Choriatiki, a classic Greek salad bursting with flavor and freshness. But before we indulge in this culinary delight, let's uncover some intriguing unknown facts about Choriatiki. Did you know that Choriatiki, often referred to as Greek salad, has ancient roots dating back to classical Greece? While the exact origins are debated, Choriatiki has been a staple of Greek cuisine for centuries, evolving over time to incorporate a variety of seasonal ingredients. Traditionally, Choriatiki was a simple peasant dish made from whatever ingredients were available locally. Surprisingly, the name Choriatiki carries cultural significance in Greek cuisine. The word Choriatiki translates to village or peasant salad, highlighting its rustic origins and humble ingredients. Unlike modern interpretations, traditional Choriatiki was a hearty and satisfying dish enjoyed by farmers and villagers as a nutritious meal to sustain them throughout the day. One lesser-known fact about Choriatiki is the essential ingredients that give it its distinctive flavor and texture. While the exact ingredients may vary from region to region and season to season, there are several key components that are quintessential to Choriatiki. These include ripe tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, tangy red onions, briny Kalamata olives, creamy feta cheese, and aromatic oregano. Fascinatingly, Choriatiki is not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, Choriatiki is a powerhouse of health benefits. The fresh vegetables provide essential nutrients like vitamin C, potassium, and fiber, while olives and olive oil offer heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. Additionally, feta cheese adds protein and calcium to the salad. Beyond its culinary appeal, Choriatiki holds deep cultural significance in Greek society. Often enjoyed as a symbol of hospitality and conviviality, Choriatiki is a staple dish at family gatherings, social events, and festive celebrations. Its vibrant colors and fresh flavors reflect the warmth and vibrancy of Greek culture, inviting people to come together and share in the joy of good food and good company. Surprisingly, Choriatiki holds deep symbolism in Greek cuisine, representing the essence of Greek culinary traditions and the Mediterranean way of life. Its vibrant colors and fresh flavors are a testament to the bountiful land and sea that Greece is blessed with. Choriatiki is more than just a salad. It's a celebration of nature's bounty, a reflection of Greek hospitality, and a symbol of health and vitality. Fascinatingly, Choriatiki plays a significant role in Greek culture, particularly during the summer months when fresh produce is abundant. It's a staple dish at Greek tavernas, seaside cafes, and family gatherings, where it's enjoyed as a refreshing and nutritious meal. Fascinatingly, Choriatiki has had a significant influence on international cuisine, inspiring chefs and home cooks around the world to create their own interpretations of the classic Greek salad. One fascinating aspect of Choriatiki is its cultural significance during Greek festivities and celebrations. It's not just a salad. It's a symbol of Greek culture and tradition, bringing people together to share in the joys of good food and company. Another lesser-known fact about Choriatiki is its versatility in modern cuisine. While the traditional recipe remains a beloved classic, chefs and home cooks have found creative ways to adapt Choriatiki to suit contemporary tastes and dietary preferences. Some variations feature grilled vegetables, quinoa, or lentils for added protein and fiber, while others swap out the feta cheese for vegan alternatives or incorporate fresh herbs and spices for extra flavor. Surprisingly, Choriatiki has made its mark in Greek art and literature, serving as a symbol of Greek identity, culture, and way of life. In paintings and sculptures, Choriatiki often appears as a motif, depicting scenes of everyday life in the Greek countryside or bustling tavernas by the sea. In literature, Choriatiki is celebrated in poems, songs, and stories, evoking memories of sunny days, leisurely meals, and cherished moments with loved ones. Fascinatingly, Choriatiki is often associated with rituals and traditions in Greek family life. From the preparation of the salad to the sharing of the meal, Choriatiki is steeped in ritualistic practices that bring families together and strengthen bonds. In some households, the task of making Choriatiki is passed down from generation to generation, with each family member contributing their own unique touch to the recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel.